Steward of taxpayer money means knowing when to make significant capital investments that produce long-term community or economic impacts. We have 3 major capital projects this year that deserve this type of investment: the city's public works complex, Lakeshore Park, and the Knoxville Zoo. The first major capital challenge is our public works complex. For many years, public service employees and city engineers have worked in an inadequate and inefficient structure with extremely poor conditions. Planning for this new complex began under Mayor Haslam and continued under Mayor Brown as they purchased land adjacent to the existing Lorraine Street facility. Last year's budget included $750,000 for design services, and council approved that. This budget includes a $15 million investment for construction. This modern complex will be energy efficient, allow for centralization of operations, and provide covered storage for valuable equipment and inventory that are now exposed to the elements. This is a long-term investment that will greatly improve operations and working conditions for employees. This facility will serve us for 50 years or more. The second capital project is the incredible opportunity we have at Lakeshore Park. As you all know, the state closed Lakeshore Mental Health Institute last year. As a result, 61 more acres and several additional buildings will now be transferred by the state to the city. Though it is great news that additional parkland will be transferred, there will be significant expenses for the demolition of existing structures. I am budgeting $5.2 million for demolition. The completion of demolition at one time will eliminate the risks associated with vacant, hazardous buildings at a heavily used park and allow us to plan with certainty to meet existing and future needs. These city funds will leverage significant private dollars for park enhancements through the work of our nonprofit partner, Lakeshore Park, Inc. We will soon hold public hearings to develop a new master plan for the park. We encourage all of you to participate as we plan for this latest expansion to our outstanding park and greenway system. The Knoxville Zoo is the third major capital opportunity, and I have budgeted a $10 million allocation. And did you all enjoy the zoo animals on the way in? The zoo is the city's most visited year-round attraction, with over 400,000 guests last year. In fact, it is a top 20 attraction in the state of Tennessee based on annual attendance. The Knoxville Zoo is a key economic driver for our city, with an estimated $22.8 million in economic impact from the out-of-town tourists, just the out-of-town tourists who visit each year. The Knoxville Zoo Board has adopted, and the members of the Zoo Board who are here, would you please stand up for a second here? I'm going to brag on you. Adopted a strategic 10-year capital plan that will increase the economic impact to our city by investing in outstanding collections and the zoo experience. The plan is to become a national leader in the conservation of Malayan tigers, to build a state-of-the-art amphibian and reptile conservation center, and to further enhance Kids Cove. Now, currently, the city allocates $750,000 per year for capital improvements to the zoo. By front-loading a capital investment of $10 million instead of these smaller yearly allocations, we can help leverage additional private dollars, reduce overall costs, and create a more rapid return on investment with better integrated outcomes. I appreciate this leadership of the zoo and the staff for bringing this proposal to us and for their tireless advocacy for the zoo.